Hello and welcome to my channel. So today's look is the second look out of my Alice in Wonderland series, and we are going to be the caterpillar. I start off by painting my face completely blue, and this is the Snazzaroo blue face paint that is in their 8-pan palette. I then use the Snazzaroo face paint in the shade turquoise and paint quite a thick stripe down the middle of my face. The version of the caterpillar I'm doing today is from the Disney animated classic, and if you see from the picture that I've just put up on screen, the centre of his face and body is more of a turquoise colour compared to the outer edges. So once I've done that, I then go over all of it with my Din Air airbrush, and the paint that I use inside this is called the MAC Pro Performance HD Airbrush Makeup in the shade High Def Cyan. I then move on to the Luna Beauty Strawberry Dream palette, and I start with the shade called Blue Sky, and I start to blend that into the crease area. I then use the shade called Dream It in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette. This is a lot darker blue and the perfect tone that I needed for this look, and I start to blend this into the crease area as well. I then add some to my bottom lash line and blend it out to the outer corner into a little bit of a wing shape. Then using the Ofra Fix Line Eyeliner Gel in the shade White Rabbit, I create a winged cut crease. Then to fill in that winged cut crease, I use the shadow called Hipster in the Pro Fusion Festival palette. Once I've done that, I then wanted a little bit of a stronger blue in the centre, so I go back to the Strawberry Dream palette and use that shade called Blue Sky and apply the tiniest bit on the centre of the lid. For my brows, I use the Snazzaroo face paint in the shade Royal Blue. As we all know, the caterpillar in Alice in Wonderland smokes, and in the Disney classic, it changes colour throughout different scenes of the film. I decided to stick with the pink colour because I just thought it was really cute, and I started off by using my Din Air airbrush. I mix the colours Processed Magenta and Pure White together, and again this is the MAC Pro Performance HD Airbrush Makeup that I've put in my Din Air airbrush. So as you can see, I started off by using the pink, and then the more I went on, the more white I added. I made it look like it was coming out of my mouth and flowing up one side of my face. I also tried to make it as curly and wavy as possible. I then added the tiniest bit of the pink Stargazer UV pigment onto a brush and added a little bit of this throughout the smoke. For my lips, I used the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bondi Beach. I only applied this to my bottom lip as the smoke was covering the top lip. For my eyelashes, I use the Eldora False Eyelashes in the style B801. I do have a discount code for them in the description box down below, along with some other discount codes for different makeup brands for you if you are interested. For my bottom lashes, I got some white face paint on a spoolie and applied it as mascara on my bottom lashes. I also added a little bit of the white to my brows as well, just to give them a little bit more texture. Lastly, I got this big blue curly wig and put it on, and we are done. This is the final look. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments down below, and what you think of the series so far. If you like it, you can hit that like button because that will really help me and my channel out. And if you do not want to miss more from me, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, if you haven't seen the first video in this Alice in Wonderland series, I did a Mad Hatter look, so make sure you check that out as well. I do have a playlist that is just Disney inspired makeup on my channel. If you want to check that out, you can. If you don't, please go and follow me over on Instagram. I've started a brand new account on there as my one with 50k followers got hacked. It's so annoying, but we are starting a brand new page and I'm so excited for it. So if you don't follow me, please do. It will mean the absolute world to me. It is at Brooke Ellis Makeup. It is on the screen right now. I also have TikTok, which is at Brooke.Ellis_. You can follow me over there if you want to. All of my social media handles are directly linked in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!